Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. This is the 7th tutorial of StatPro. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about circular repeat. We can make copies of nodes, beams or plates around one of the three axes on a circular way. Let's talk about it. First, let's create the structure. This is our structure and I want to make copies of this structure in a circular path around y-axis. Y-axis goes vertically up. You can choose any point on y-axis. Either it is on the structure or other any random point. Let's create a point or node in this point. To do that I have to go this window and click on this option. Then I will click on this point. Then I will press escape. Now I have the structure and a point and the axis also. Now I don't need this grid, so I am clicking on this box. Then I will click on my workspace. First of all, you have to select the structure which one you want to copy in a circular way. I have selected my structure with a window. Now I will apply circular repeat command on this structure. For circular repeat command, you can go to this icon. This is circular repeat icon, which is exact beside translational repeat command. Or you can go to geometry option. Then below the translational repeat, you are getting circular repeat command. I am clicking on this option. Then a window comes. Now I have to perform some settings. As I want to rotate that structure around y-axis, then I have to select this one. By default it is already selected. As I have selected y-axis, then this structure will rotate along this direction. If I selected x-axis, then this structure would rotate in this direction. Or if I selected z-axis, then this total structure would rotate in this direction. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now you have to select the node where you want to put the y-axis. You can choose any point, but especially I have created this one, so I have to select this node. For that I have to come here. You can input your node number in this box, but now there is no node number showing, so I have to select that node by my cursor. Before doing that I have to click on this box. Then you will get a special cursor to select the node. If I select this one, then the node number is showing here. That is node number 5, the final node we have created. And here you will get the coordinates of that node. The x coordinate of that node number was 2 and z coordinate is 0. Let's select another node. If I select this one, then the node number has been changed as 2 and the coordinates have been changed also. Anyway, I don't want to use this node. I will use this one, so I am clicking on this node. Then I have to input the angle on which that structure will rotate. I am keeping it as 360 degrees and here number of steps. I want 20 steps, that's why I am typing here 20. One thing I want to tell you that you will get maximum 99 steps in circular repeat command. If I give here 98, then I click on this arrow, then it is 99 now. Then again I'm clicking on this arrow, but it is not going up. So you have to keep in mind that you will get maximum 99 steps in circular repeat command. I hope 99 steps is enough for you. Now I am giving here 20 and I want those steps linked, so I am clicking on this box and here is open base option. It finds the lowest base points of the structure and does not link along that direction. If you don't want to link the bottom points of the structure, then you will check this box, or if you want to link the bottom points also, then just keep it as it is. I don't want to link, so I am clicking on this box. Then I am clicking on this OK option. Then I am getting the circular structure on my workspace. So this is all for today and this is all for circular repeat. If you have any kind of problems or if you face any troubles, then please comment below, or you can use the email address that I have given to description. Till then, happy learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video.